I missed the green silver container. It's still 3 ounces, maybe. And I don't normally buy this, but it was in the ad. I'll put what we did today in the description. If you want the original recipe, you're going to have to take a screenshot of this video. It's moving slow enough at the beginning, you should be able to do that. Let's try a spoon. That's tasty. A little beefy, a little tomatoey. Let's check the carrots. It's going to be hot. Oh, they're a little chewy, good. If you want them really soft, you're going to have to let them cook longer. These are a little al dente. The original recipe said large shells. I got jumbo. I just thought it would be more fun to have a jumbo shell that you could maybe like break apart, you know, with your spoon. Make it a little more interactive than just getting a little shell on a spoon. Here we go. Oh. Pasta's perfect. And you could always go veggie broth. Oh, it's gonna be hot, man. Oh. Wow. We saved the juice from the whole tomatoes, so if you want it soupier, you can add that. The original recipe called for cornstarch. I'm not sure what it added to it. It said 1 tablespoon. You gotta hold the bowl though when you cut that. I put 4 of these in there. That's plenty of pasta. And it's kind of fun. Also, the original recipe called for a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I put in 2 tablespoons. Because I knew that I was going to be topping it. Cellulose. Is there cellulose in here? Cheese culture, enzymes, cellulose, potassium sorbate. I knew it when I bought it. I have real Parmesan cheese in the fridge. But we're doing a Kraft ad today, and I wanted to put Kraft in the title. I like the jumbo shells. Yeah. I like having to cut the shells, you know? Oh yeah. And we've got plenty of soup. There's plenty of soup here. I think it wanted more carrots too. Like a cup of carrots. I put 3/4 a cup of carrots. Not the biggest carrot fan. Let's get a piece of that pasta, carrot. Hey, thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Thanks for watching. Good.